On the 13th of July, 2026, literally just days ago, Apple dropped an absolute nuclear bomb on the tech world. The tech giant officially filed a massive, sweeping federal lawsuit against OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT. Now, we've seen tech companies argue over software patents and data training before, but this is completely different. Apple is accusing OpenAI of running a coordinated corporate campaign to systematically steal the iPhone's closely guarded hardware secrets. The story is completely blowing up across global business media right now, but almost nobody is talking about what this means for you, the iPhone user. If Apple's allegations are true, OpenAI isn't just trying to build a better chatbot anymore. They are secretly trying to build a physical device to completely replace the iPhone, and they are allegedly using Apple's own stolen blueprint to do it. The legal documents contain jaw-dropping details, including top-secret internal files, unreturned MacBooks, and high-level corporate espionage. This marks the official end of the peaceful era between these two giants. Do you think OpenAI is genuinely trying to kill off the iPhone? Or is Apple just terrified of the competition? Let me know your initial thoughts below. Segment 1. The controversy, the show and tell interviews. To understand the scale of this drama, we have to look at the massive brain drain that triggered it. Right now, more than 400 former Apple employees are currently working at OpenAI. While hiring from a competitor is completely legal, Apple claims that OpenAI's recruitment tactics went far beyond standard corporate networking. The lawsuit explicitly names Tang-Yu Tan, a 24-year Apple veteran who used to be the vice president of product design, overseeing the physical engineering of the iPhone and the Apple Watch. He left Apple and is now OpenAI's chief hardware officer. According to federal court filings, Apple alleges that Tan methodically used his inside knowledge to target key Apple engineers. The most shocking accusation? Apple claims that during job interviews at OpenAI, candidates were instructed to bring confidential physical prototypes and unreleased hardware components straight from Apple's labs for secret show-and-tell sessions. They were literally using job interviews to mine Apple's upcoming pipeline. If a corporate executive asks you to bring your current company's secret prototypes to an interview, would you do it for a massive raise? Drop a comment. Segment 2. The evidence. The crucial LOL message. If you think the interview allegations are wild, wait until you hear about the digital paper trail that Apple's cybersecurity team uncovered. The lawsuit heavily focuses on a former iPhone systems engineer named Chang Liu, who left Apple to join OpenAI in January 2026. Apple officially alleges that Liu left the company with an unreturned corporate MacBook stuffed with sensitive, proprietary files. But it gets worse. Shortly after joining OpenAI, Liu discovered a live software bug in Apple's authentication system that accidentally left his access active. Instead of reporting it, he allegedly messaged another Apple employee, writing, "LOL, I found out I can access the network storage, so funny." Apple claims he then used that back-end flaw to download dozens of heavily restricted hardware designs, internal manufacturing presentations, and product testing procedures while actively working on OpenAI's hardware payroll. How crazy is it that a multi-trillion-dollar company like Apple got breached because of a simple network bug? Would you have clicked download if you found that loophole? Segment 3. The escalation. The 40 legal letters. This isn't just a minor legal dispute that will quietly fade away. It is rapidly turning into an all-out corporate war. Just 48 hours after filing the initial complaint, Apple escalated the situation dramatically. The Financial Times broke the news that Apple's legal team has officially sent formal preservation letters to roughly 40 former employees now working at OpenAI. These letters are an aggressive pre-trial warning order. Apple is legally ordering these workers to freeze and preserve every single text message, email, Slack chat, and personal document on their devices. Apple explicitly stated in the filing that they believe the current discoveries are just the tip of the iceberg. They are deeply terrified that key evidence is actively being wiped out or deleted behind the scenes before it can reach a federal courtroom. If you received a formal legal warning from Apple's lawyers to hand over your personal phone data, how fast would your heart be beating? Let me know. Segment 4. Advancement. The next-gen AI smart speaker. All of this leaves us with a critical question. What exactly is OpenAI building that requires so much iPhone DNA? The answer lies in their multi-billion-dollar hardware subsidiary called IO Products, which was co-founded by legendary former Apple design chief Jony Ive and recently acquired by OpenAI. According to major supply chain leaks from Bloomberg, OpenAI is rushing to build a physical embodiment of ChatGPT, a next-generation mobile smart speaker and home computer powered by custom AI agents. To make a device like this successful, you need extreme hardware engineering breakthroughs. You need hyper-efficient thermal management, massive battery density in a tiny chassis, and proprietary metal finishing techniques. The lawsuit explicitly alleges that OpenAI even approached one of Apple's long-term manufacturing partners to replicate an Apple-invented metal technique, falsely claiming Apple approved it. OpenAI isn't just stealing code. They are trying to clone the premium physical feel of Apple hardware. Would you buy a physical AI smart device built by Jony Ive and Sam Altman if it promised to replace your phone? Tell me why or why not. Segment 5. The celebrity feud, Altman versus Musk. As expected, this explosive lawsuit immediately triggered chaotic reactions from tech's biggest icons. OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, took to social media with a surprisingly calm response, stating that OpenAI has no interest in other companies' trade secrets and that he isn't afraid of Apple, though he holds massive respect for them. But Elon Musk, who has been locked in his own massive legal battles with OpenAI, could not resist jumping into the chaos. Musk immediately went viral on X, publicly blasting Altman and calling the situation a corporate culture of theft and criminality. Musk even mocked Altman directly online, posting, "After stealing an open-source AI charity, you then stole all of Apple's phone technology. Wow." The public drama has completely transformed a complex federal trade secret case into a highly entertaining, billionaire reality show. Do you side with Elon Musk's harsh take on Sam Altman, or do you think Musk is just using Apple's lawsuit to fuel his personal grudge? Segment 6. Strategic Impact. The death of the 2024 AI partnership. The ultimate casualty of this July 2026 lawsuit is the complete destruction of the historic AI partnership these two companies forged back in 2024. Do you remember when Apple proudly announced at WWDC that ChatGPT would be deeply integrated into iOS? That relationship has now officially turned entirely toxic. This lawsuit perfectly explains why Apple suddenly pivoted away from OpenAI earlier this year, signing a massive $1 billion deal to power Siri using Google Gemini instead. Apple realized that OpenAI was no longer just a helpful software vendor. They were a dangerous, direct threat trying to cannibalize the iPhone ecosystem from the inside out. By launching this litigation, Apple is playing the long game. They are demanding a strict court injunction to completely halt OpenAI's hardware production and force them to redesign their upcoming products from scratch without a single piece of Apple IP. This could potentially delay OpenAI's highly anticipated IPO and bankrupt their hardware division before it even launches. Was Apple smart to ditch OpenAI for Google Gemini, or did they just create their own worst enemy? Let's talk about it down below. Ultimately, the lawsuit of the 13th of July 2026 marks the beginning of a fierce new Cold War in consumer technology. The battleground is no longer just about who has the smartest cloud AI model. It's about who will control the physical device that lives in your pocket for the next decade. Apple is fiercely defending the hardware crown it spent 20 years building, while OpenAI is proving they will do whatever it takes to disrupt the status quo. As this legal battle plays out in federal court over the coming months, the secrets revealed in the discovery process are going to fundamentally reshape our understanding of unreleased mobile tech. What do you think the final outcome will be? Will Apple successfully block OpenAI's smart devices, or will Sam Altman find a way to escape this legal trap? Drop a comment below. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Tech Underhood so you don't miss a single update as this historic tech war unfolds. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.